Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name's Shelby Brooks, and I wanted to introduce myself so you guys could get to know me and my channel a little better. So I handcraft wreaths and other home decor and recently just launched my Etsy shop. I got 2 teenage sons and a wonderful husband who helps me with a lot of my back office stuff for the business. I have 2 healer pups named Milo and Mila, and you'll probably see them in some of my videos because they do not leave my side. Keep watching to learn about my channel's intentions. So I have 4 main intentions for this channel. Number 1, to give y'all some awesome DIY videos for making wreaths and other home decor crafts. I've been making wreaths and other handmade crafts for friends, family, and myself for about 10 or 11 years now. Wreath making is something I've been passionate about for a while, and I can't wait to share with y'all some tips and tricks that I know to help you guys, and maybe we can even learn a little something together along the way. Who knows? Number 2, I'm also going to be sharing with you my journey on growing my business. So I officially opened my Etsy shop on September 6th, 2024, and I've been open a little over 2 months now. So I'm brand new within the e-commerce realm, and I decided that I was going to document my journey on here for anyone interested in seeing how my business is going to be developing over time. Number 3, spread awareness of my brand. Since I am new to the whole e-commerce and content creation industries, I'm hoping content will help spread awareness of my brand and help boost productivity of my business. And last but not least, number 4, I want to inspire others to break outside of the box and follow their dreams. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit of a backstory about me. So I had my boys when I was very young. I was a teenager and I ended up the stereotypical single mama, right? And then when they were toddlers, I started to make wreaths just as a hobby for myself and like my sanity with usually just like cheap materials from the Dollar Tree or old decor that I had lying around, and then I just revamp it. Over the years, I had a ton of people tell me I should be selling my wreaths. And at the time where I was at in life, I did not think I was capable of doing something like that. So fast forward to today, my sons are teenagers now, and I've been happily married to my husband for 6 years. And we actually just went through the adoption process this year, October 2024, for my husband to adopt the boys. So Adam's really the one that I give a lot of credit to because he's the one who's really helped me set up a lot of this, like back office stuff, and help me figure out the computer stuff. And then he really did talk me into taking the leap to open up my own Etsy shop. And to be honest, I couldn't be happier with taking that jump. Like, I'm working towards great goals, seeing great potential growth in just a few short months too. So I'm really hoping that my story inspires others to break out of their comfort zone and do whatever it is that you've been wanting to do. Just get out there and do it. I'll be posting my first DIY video very soon, so if you guys want to see more, make sure to click that subscribe button. If you're interested, go ahead and give me a follow on all my other social media platforms. I'll make sure to post those links in the comment section of this video. Y'all's support is very much appreciated. Until next time, bye y'all.